Welcome back guys on another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be explaining or analyzing the market with you guys. I'm going to be focusing on indexes, which is volatility 75 and volatility 75.1s. So a lot of people have been sending us messages pleading for us to get time and make videos about these two pairs. Now we always give the top-down analysis of these pairs, but this will be a weekly outlook on these particular trading pairs. So without wasting time, hit that like button, subscribe, plus sharing this video, or if you feel this information is so valuable, you can also comment down. Say that when we upload a new video like this, if you have subscribed, you can be the first time to be alerted that we have uploaded a new video. Now without wasting time, I think I'm going to start by spotting out my major market key levels. So these major market key levels, we always use them to spot where the market has been respecting so many times, for us not to confuse ourselves with this market. Now I'm trying to, in a proper way of drawing these lines, you can either turn your chart to the line chart, or if a beginner, you can use your candlestick chart for you to try to spot out all these major market key levels. Now so far I'm done by spotting out our major market key levels. So at the moment the price is playing around this particular area. Now if I'm to see clearly 75 index, at the moment it's massively dropping. Like we told you in the previous videos, you can go to our YouTube channel, which is FX Dave's Market Analysis. We analyzed 75 and we spotted or anticipated huge pips of 75 to be dropping to the downside. If you watch that video, I think you can testify. So we FX Dave's mentors, we always take our time to analyze the market in a perfect way. Now if I clearly see 75.1s, 75 I mean, I can see we had a little bit uptrend, which is this. We had a little bit uptrend, so whereby the market was making higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. Now if I also try connecting these higher highs, now these are the recent higher highs. Now the market made this rising wedge, broke this support level or support trend line of ours. It dropped all the way to the downside. After dropping, it respected this level, whereby it got this buying momentum and the price pushed up back to the upside. Now 75 has been on a long playing around this particular area, but you can see the momentum of sellers is lot than the momentum of the buyers. Now even this pattern, which was spotted by us in the last video which we uploaded, we said the market was a little bit in a consolidation, also making high highs and high lows, and we said that we as FX Daves, we anticipate the market might drop because we had an impulse correction, so we were anticipating an impulse move taking this pair to the downside. Now if you clearly see that we had our bearish flag, whereby the price was going to first consolidate a little bit after we get a drop to the downside. Now at the moment, if you're focusing on trading 75, there is no perfect entry because it has dropped all the way from the upside to the downside. Now 75, it made an intermediate breakout. You know, we have two types of breakouts. We have what we call breakout and retest, and we also have what we call intermediate breakout. Now 75 dropping from all the way from here, let me mark it from here, it dropped and still dropping. We anticipate it to reach at this target before we get our reversals. Now 75 dropping from this level up to here, that's what we call an immediate breakout. But the price didn't break out to come back and retest this broken support trend line, then to continue dropping down to the downside. But the price just dropped like at once. But when you take a look at this pattern, this rising weight, you can clearly see that 75 broke this pattern. After breaking it, it retested. After retesting, dropped all the way to the downside. So now what are we trying to explain? If you are at the moment focusing on VIX 75 and you like to place your trades, we have to tell you that you first wait a little bit for 75 to drop up to this level of 64,4762.7201 before you place any trade. And you are placing your trades, I think you will be focusing more on the support trend line, which you have our major market key level or our zone. Now if you are focusing on 75, at the moment we are still in a downtrend, we have a lot of pressure from the sellers. Jumping to the next pair, which is 75. This 75 one is